Hello students, welcome to SAM class. Today we are doing the PYQ sections of linear inequality. Now let's see the 2015 paper analysis, what came in KCET in 2015 from the linear inequality chapter. Now we all get very scared the moment we listen to the class 11 topics and we like, okay, it's very difficult, we have to go through 11, we didn't do good and all that, but nothing is there. If we just go through 1 hour of our concept video and the practice, that is more than enough to get the chapter cracked. So let's see, let's analyze this question. Now 2015 they gave a question where we have a quadratic term by a modulus term less than equal to 0. We have to solve the inequality. Now what is the layman thing, the basic thing that you need to know? Okay, so the layman and the basic thing that you need to know and this is, see, whenever they give, the best option is, the best way to solve this kind of question is option check. What is the best way? To check the option. What is the best way? To check the option. Now down, if you see students, okay, the denominator can never be 0. The denominator can never be 0. So x can never be equal to minus 4. So which options got cancelled? Minus 4. X can never be equal to what? Minus 4. So if you see, the option C got cancelled because it is minus 7 to 1. Correct? C got cancelled. So C is nowhere in the picture. Now what you can see, that this option minus 7 to minus 4, minus 7 to minus 4, minus 7 to minus 4 is common in all of them. It means that that has to be one part of the answer. Okay, so KCET doesn't go like that good, so it is simple, that has to be in the answer. Now what about, we have to check, is 4 comma 1 there or minus 4 comma 1 is there or not. Okay, now if you see minus 7 to minus 4, it will satisfy. So something extra is also there, so we have to check from minus 4 to 1, 0 is there in between. Correct. If you see this one, minus 4 to 1, 0 is there in between. Correct. Now in that case, if you see, if I put the value 0, what I'm getting? Minus 7 by 4. Correct. If I put the value 0, I'm getting in x. If I put the value 0, putting x equal to 0, I'm getting minus 7 by 4. Is minus 7 by 4 less than 0? Definitely. So here, this doesn't include 0. Correct. It didn't include 0. So the D option is including 0. Correct. So directly we can say the answer is D option. Done. So directly we could have said the answer is D option. Now will somebody say, sir, you took 0. What about other points? If you see here, it is from 1 to 4. If I'm able to show any other value also, okay, so minus 7 to minus 4 union minus 4 to minus 1. This is if I'm getting the answer. Then what about this one if I want to check? Now let's say if I want to check with other values also, okay, so it is from 1 to 4. I can put a value like 2. If I put a value 2 here, see, here it is saying 1 to 4. If I put x equal to 2, what will happen? So I'll get 4 plus 8 minus 7 by 6. So basically I am getting 12 and 5 by 6. So is 5 by 6 less than 0? No. So 2 is not satisfied. So this B cannot be an option. A also can't be the option because it is that 0 is also satisfied. So directly by option checking, I can get in 30 seconds. Okay. By option checking, I can get in 30 seconds. Now, what is the other way to solve? Yeah, if you want, we can solve it by this method also. X square. See, down it is always positive, so I don't have to do anything. Up, I have to show that 6x minus 7 is less than 0. Okay. So x square plus, I can write it as 7x minus x minus 7 is less than 0. So x plus 7 to x minus 1 into x plus 7 is less than 0. So x plus 7, x minus 1 is less than 0. Now understand, whenever something is less than 0, it means 1 has to be positive. Okay, x plus 7 has to be, or someone has to be greater than 0, and 1 has to be negative. X1 minus 1 has to be less than 0. Because these both, multiplication of two terms can only be negative if one of the term is negative. If one of the term is negative. Correct. So done. So if you solve it, you'll get by that way also the answer. Okay. So let's again understand in 30 seconds, how will I do? I'll not do anything, I'll just go by option check. I'll not do anything, but I'll go for option check. Okay. So what I'll do, students, is I'll create one more question like this, and I'll see, in case I'm writing in the exam, 30 seconds is there, I'll directly go with option check. Directly I'll put for here, it cannot be, I'll put x cannot be equal to minus 4. This option rejected. 30 seconds time is there. Now if I see all these terms are common, so I'll check, 1 to 4. Is it taking x equal to 2? If I put x equal to 2, what I'm getting? 4 plus 8, 12 minus 7, so 5 by 6. That is not less than 0, so this also not option. So my answer is D. That's it. Okay. Now let's see the other question which came in 2015. 2015, we have one more question, finding the shaded region. Now here the concept is, student, here the concept is very important, that this is, what do you say, a coordinate. If this is my line, this line can be shaded in two ways, either this side towards the origin or away from the origin. So we just have to check the origin point. Remember it. What is origin test? What is origin test? Come on, say it once more. Origin test. Okay. We just have to test the origin. Okay. So take a red color. It suits well. I'll solve in the question only. See, I can go with, like, let's say here. See, these all is greater than 0, greater than 1 is less than. Okay. I can check with that. Okay. Take this line. I know this line is this one. How I know that? Put x equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 14. Put y, what do you say? Y equal to 0, you will get x equal to 7. So this is that line. If I put 0, 0, so 0 plus 0, is it less than 70? 0 plus 0, is it less than 70? Correct. So it has to be shaded this side. Correct, if it is satisfying. But originally, if my shaded region is going like this, so this part less than is wrong. So all correct one is this one greater than. Okay. Now, if I'm in the exam, so I'll cancel this one directly, because if three terms are showing greater than, means it will be there. Now here, see, y is less than 14, y greater than 14, y less than 14, y again less than. So chances are y less than 14, y less than 14 will be, y greater than 14 won't be. So you can check also. See, this region is shaded downward. Correct. If you see this region, this is my y less than 14 region. So y less than 14 means the values which are less than y, like 13, 4, 12 and all. Okay. So if you see, it will be y less than 14. So this one gone. Okay. This one also gone. Okay. This one is y less than 14. So this one will be there. This one B portion gone. So we got B and D eliminated. Now C and this one. So here it is, x minus y is greater than or equal to 5. Here x minus y less than 5. So what is my graph of x minus y? X minus y is this graph, this line. So it is shaded towards the origin. Everybody can say it is shaded towards the origin. Means it is satisfying 0, 0. It is satisfying 0, 0. Put 0, 0. Is 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5? Is 0 greater than or equal to 5? You'll say no, sir. So first one also gone. So my answer is C. Clear? So the best and the easiest method is solving by this method. That is option checking. And here in this case, just check for the origin test. Check whether it is lying towards the origin or not. Here the shaded region demanded it to be away. For this one, second line. For first line, it demanded to be away from origin. Second line, it demanded to be below the, what do you say, satisfy the origin. Third line, again satisfy the origin. That's it, done. So that sums up. Okay. We could have done in 30 seconds also. Let's see if we are doing in 30 seconds. Okay. So let's start the timer. Let's see 30 seconds. So first, what we have, the option is, we'll start. Okay. Since all these three are same, so I'll go with this option. So D, I'll directly neglect. Okay. Now out of this, what do you say? This is less than, greater than, this is again less than. So two less than are there, so I'll go with less than. Okay. Now again here, if I see one is greater than, one is less than, so I'll remove B also. So one is greater than, just I have to check. So I'll put 0, 0. So 0 minus 0 is greater than or equal to 5. Means, is this supporting the origin? What do you say? Is 0 greater than 5? No, it is not. So it is what? Shared backside, this side. So it has to be downward, C1. That's it. That's got the answer. Okay. So that sums up the whole 2015 era is done. And best of luck. Work hard. See you in the next video.